Well, welcome back to the ViHeLium channel. My name is Tim, and I am actually up in a tree, as you can probably tell. We are doing a tree install using a 3/4 inch galvanized screw-on pipe to put this antenna as high up above the tree line as we can, and also comply with HOA regulations. So we're trying to hide the antenna up inside of a tree. We're using a RAK 5.8 dBi, a 35-foot LMR 400 quality cable, and what I'm going to do here is flip the camera around and show you somewhat of the view. Mountains over there. I don't know how much you can see, but we're another that's the area where the majority of the miners are going to be, but we are, that right there is 10 feet, and there's 20 feet more above it. So I'm going to try to get a picture of that. I don't know if you can see it or not. Somewhere up in there. Pretty hidden up in there. But nonetheless, I'm going to head my way down here and see if we what we have from a look down there, and then I'll give you some pictures down there. Okay, so back down the tree, and I'm going to give you a little snapshot of what it looks like going up. And here we go. Here's our LMR cable where our box will go, and then you can see right in the center of the picture, you can see that 30 feet of pole. We walk around here, get a picture of my helper, say hey Jack.
Howdy, howdy.
You're supposed to say hey Jack. No, that is Jack. So I'm about ready to kill myself. I just was up in that tree and I didn't kill myself, but I'm about ready to kill myself on a antenna, or on the power cord. Okay, so there we go. I'm going to bleed out into the sun. Essentially, man, you can't even see that thing. Actually, let's take this out front, and let's take a picture or a look from the street.
When we were coming over here?
Okay, so here we go. There is the tree there, and man, I don't think you can even see that bad boy. Let's see if we can get in there. Zoom in. It is right. Oh man, it's really hard to see, which is good. It's super let's see here, I'm trying to find it. There we go. Hold on. Man, it's hard to see, but it's right there in the center. Anyways, okay, so I will I'll come back to you as soon as I get the box installed. We'll show you what it looks like down there, and give you some other information. Okay, so just to finish up this video, I'm going to flip the camera around here, and this is what we're looking at. Yes, we have white zip ties. I would love to spray paint them, but that's probably just me being a little bit too OCD. Anyways, so there's your LMR 400. Goes up, connects to the pole, and somewhere up in amongst that tree, about 40 feet off the ground, is the miner. And here we go. Antenna, sorry, miner's right there. Panther X with the typical smart plug that we always use. We're going to throw a lock on the box. Yeah, they got a cable in there. Yep. Whoop. Get that bad boy. Sorry. Shaky camera syndrome. It's a Hollywood effect I'm trying to go for here. Anyways. Hey, thanks for joining us on the ViHeLium Group. If you got any questions, please leave comments. You can find me on Discord, the Panthers Discord, or any one of the Discords actually for the helium miners. You can find me at Loquacious. Thanks again. Subscribe if you're not. Push the bell notifications so you get updates when we do new videos. Have a great day. Mine some helium.